nabanggit din si director that, uh, there was a talk about assassination. Ito daw po ay, nagdulot po ng isang matinding alarma sa mga ahensya po ng gobyerno. Bakit? When VP Sara said na there is no joke, she already talked to this person or to this group of people to probably assassinate the president. Nagkaroon daw po ng malaking alarm yon sa ahensya ng NBI. And since they investigated this from the first year na lumabas ito sa articles of impeachment up until this year, yung second round, meron na po sila mga nakalap na ebidensya that there is some attempts of making transactions, talking to people to incite those violent attempts towards the safety of the president. And this is coming from the NBI director. At sabi niya dito, hindi ito isang ordinaryong banta dahil pinuno ng bansa ang target. That's true because he's the president. Itinuturing ito na issue na pambansang seguridad. Okay, tandaan po natin, just try to think about like bakit naging national security threat as per NBI director. I think the reason why is this. Kung nagkaroon ng lapses sa security, I hope not. May mangyaring hindi maganda sa presidente safety-wise. Ang magiging projection po nito, lahat ng kaaway ng ikalawang pangulo, there is a high threat, there is a high possibility that whoever, threat our president or the vice president, there is a high possibility that they will do everything to do yung ganong bagay, yung karumal-dumal na bagay against our president or the vice president. I'm talking both pero as earlier as I said, yung sinabi ni vice president, tinututulan ko yon. Pero I'm also saying na meron ding mga credible threat and I believe this kasi when you become a public official and you're the second in power, I believe that even the vice president Sara Duterte have also credible safety threat, the same as the president. So I think na kapag nagkaroon ng lapses sa security at wag naman po sana may mangyaring di maganda sa presidente, magkakaroon talaga ng parang sabihin natin mga tao na yon that can actually do those kind of act mangyari. And then mag-succeed. What will it reflect to other people na may ganun ding intention, 'di ba? 'Yun yung kailangan natin tignan. Sabi niya din dito, patuloy daw sa ngayon ngunit sa threat na di umano'y nasabi ni VP Sara, wala pa silang tiyak na suspect. Siya na rin ng gobyerno ang kanilang kinausap at um, ah, kinausap at nagplano na rin sila, simula na sila magplano, ah kung papaano daw po sisimulang suyurin yung mga content creator or yung mga nagpo-post or nagpapakalat ng mga fake news sa authority using cybersecurity agencies.
Ako po si Banat Boy at ito ang Philcast kung saan ang katotohanan walang takot na sinasabi. Like, share at subscribe na.